In this question, we are given a plus 1 upon a is equal to 5. We have to find a square minus 1 upon a square. Now, this is important. We have to find a square minus 1 upon a square. What you have to remember is, if you do a minus 1 upon a whole square, no matter what you do, you're going to get a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. You're not going to get a minus here just because you want it. So there's only one formula that involves a negative sign between two squares. That is a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So in the same manner, a square minus 1 upon a square is going to be a plus 1 upon a that we already have, and a minus 1 upon a. That's what we are going to find. Now here you can directly use a formula for this identity. That is a minus 1 upon a whole square is going to be a plus 1 upon a whole square minus 4. You can directly use this formula if you want. So here we are going to just put the values inside it. So a minus 1 upon a whole square is going to be 5 square minus 4. So this would be 25 minus 4, 21. And then a minus 1 upon a will be under root 21. So we can write it as positive under root 21 or negative under root 21. If you don't want to use this formula, you want to go with the basics, then we can also do this. We know that a plus 1 upon a is equals to 5. We can square both the sides. So we are going to get a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2 into a into 1 upon a is equals to 5 square 25. So therefore, a square plus 1 upon a square is equals to 23. And now from this we can find a minus 1 upon a. There's no actual formula for a minus 1 upon a, but we can find the value of a minus 1 upon a whole square. This formula we know, it is a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. So this is going to be 23 minus 2, 21. So therefore, a minus 1 upon a will be under root 21. Positive and negative under root 21. You can use either methods to solve it. It's better if you directly remember this formula. Now we are going to find a square plus 1 upon a square. That's what we wanted. So a square minus 1 upon a square. That was what we wanted. This is equal to a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a. Now a plus 1 upon a is 5. And a minus 1 upon a is plus minus under root 21. So the final answer will be plus minus 5 under root 21. And please remember to do this also.